How much weight will you lose in a week if you burn 1,000 calories a day? Your weight is a balancing act, but the equation is simple. If you eat more calories than you burn, you gain weight. And if you eat fewer calories and burn more calories through physical activity, you lose weight. Because 3,500 calories equals about 1 pound, which is equal to 0.45 kilograms of fat, it is estimated that you need to burn about 3,500 calories to lose 1 pound. So, in general, if you cut about 500 to 1,000 calories a day from your typical diet, you'd lose about 1 to 2 pounds a week. If you've diligently tracked your diet and exercise and concluded that you're burning 1,000 calories a day, congratulations! You're on track to lose 2 pounds a week. That's just at the upper end of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's recommendations for a healthy, sustainable rate of weight loss. However, it might not be in your best interest to work out at the same high intensity every single day. So, here are 5 useful tips to fuel your weight loss without compromising your health or starving yourself. Number 5. Take a rest day. Rest days give your body and mind a chance to recover from the strain of such intense workouts. Don't worry, even if you rest 1 day a week, you still stand to lose almost 7 pounds per month. Number 4. Snack smarter for weight loss. Calories from daily snacks can total more than the calories you consume at mealtime. Those little nibbles add up. So to reduce your caloric intake by 500 calories, replace your snacks with a single serving of a fresh fruit or vegetable. You can also eliminate the snacks altogether. Believe it or not, snacking is not required when you're trying to lose weight. In fact, it can actually cause weight gain in some dieters. Hate hard workouts? No problem. Burn an extra 500 calories with 2 easier but longer workouts during the day. Schedule an early morning walk for an hour in the morning and then again in the evening. Each workout should burn roughly 250 calories. Number 3. Drink water at work. Drink water instead of typical flavored beverages to save hundreds of calories during the day. Beverages like soda, flavored coffee, and even sports beverages are filled with sugar and other fattening ingredients. And some of those drinks contain hundreds of calories. Head to the water cooler instead to reach a 500-calorie deficit. Number 2. Use slimming smoothies. Meal replacements are an easy way to cut 500 calories from your daily intake. If you replace 1 or 2 meals with a lean smoothie, you should reach your goal. But you have to make a diet-friendly smoothie. That means you don't just throw a bunch of ingredients into the blender and hope for the best. A green smoothie is a great option. It combines spinach, apple, banana, and protein powder. It doesn't sound great, but you'll love it. Number 1. Avoid the plateau. Your body adapts to the stress you place on it. So if you do the exact same 1,000 calorie burning workout every single time you exercise, you might find that your weight loss progress slows or even stops. Also, as you lose weight and improve your fitness, you'll burn fewer calories while doing the same workouts at the same intensity as before. Dodge plateaus by trying different types of exercise, varying your workout intensity, fine-tuning your diet, and sneaking extra movement into your daily routine. If you found this video